A blessed good day to you all. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you this amazing recipe for one pot stovetop chicken and rice. Let's get into it. Alright guys, now let's take a quick look at our ingredients. Here I already seasoned my chicken, which I will share the process in a minute. Today I'll be using some canned pigeon peas. Jamaicans call it gunga peas and Mexicans call it granules. I also have some long grain basmati rice. I'll be using some bell peppers and celery along with some fresh herbs. I have onions, garlic, some coconut milk. And for my seasoning, I'll be using some complete seasoning, tomato bouillon, chicken bouillon, seasoned salt, and black pepper. To season my chicken, I went ahead and just washed with some lemon juice. I'll be using leg and thighs, some oil, garlic, and onion powder. I have some chicken bouillon, paprika, black pepper, seasoned salt, and some sazon. So you want to go ahead and make sure those are well combined. Then we will add some oil to the chicken just to make sure the seasonings adhere. Then we will coat them really well with those seasonings. We will cover and allow to marinate for about an hour or two. Next, you want to go ahead and sear the chicken on both sides. When they are golden brown on one side, flip them over and allow them to brown on the other side. Once they are nicely seared on all sides, you want to remove, set aside, and I will show you what we'll do next. Now, I've never made one pot chicken and rice on the stove top. I've always done it in the oven. So today we're going to change that. I'm going to do this delicious chicken and rice on the stove top, and you guys will love it. Next, we're gonna add our aromatics to that same pot with all those delicious yummy flavors, and we're gonna give it a good toss and allow to go for about 2 to 3 minutes. So at this point, you want to add your washed rice, and we will also come in with our seasoning to add flavor and taste to this rice. You want to toss this consistently for about 5 minutes and allow it to fry. That will help to eliminate some of the starch that's in the rice, and you'll have this nice loose and fluffy rice in the end. So once that is tossed for about 5 minutes or so, then you want to come in with your pigeon peas, give that a stir, and then we will come in with our coconut milk. Once the coconut milk is added, you want to now come in with some water, and I will leave all the correct measurements I used in my description box. You want to now add your fresh herbs. Give it a stir, and this is the point where you want to taste and make sure that it suits your liking. Don't add too much salt though, because the salt from the chicken will carry over into the rice and you don't want to make the dish salty. So we will allow this to come up to a simmer before we start adding our chicken back into the pot. Once all your chicken is added, you then want to cover this, reduce your heat to low, and allow it to cook for about 30 minutes. Before it is done. After about 30 minutes, our one pot chicken and rice is all done. Please be reminded that the time may vary depending on your stove. So what I like to do is cover this and allow it to sit, remove it from the heat for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we will go in and remove our chicken, and then we will toss this rice. Once I toss the rice, you'll see how perfect and fluffy it is When I tell you this meal was absolutely amazing, the chicken and the rice was so flavorful and delicious, and I can't wait for you guys to give this recipe a try. Look at that rice, pure perfection. Now let me plate it up and show you guys the finished product. And here you have it, my version of one pot stovetop chicken and rice. I did serve it up with some Asian style green beans and it was so delicious. This was my plate, and then I fixed the plate for my husband to take to work, and he absolutely enjoyed it. Please give the recipe a try for me and let me know what you guys think. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.